And Bitcoin, don't assume by this that the low is definitely in. This count that I've put on the hourly chart last night is what we need to see to give us the initial 5-wave move up off the low. Okay, then a 3-wave pullback into a fib would be the technical buy point for Bitcoin. At the moment, it's holding the pattern just fine. We've come up and hit the 123.6 for the 3. The 4 has held above the 764. That looks like a micro 5 up for a 1-2 of the 5 of 3. Then we need another 4-5. Then you get the ABC down to give you the 2 back. Ethereum, not so clean. You know, you can argue that, but at the moment this is holding for a 4 and it's still got to take this out. If we get something that more resembles a 5-wave move and hold a pullback, then I'm looking for it, but at the moment I'm simply not seeing it in Ethereum. So nothing in terms of position trading there for those of you that trade the cryptocurrencies. Okay, that's what I've got pre-market.